Hello Salman, welcome. We are going to ask you 10 English questions. So I just want you to answer the question with one sentence.
Okay, sir.
Okay, how many languages do you speak?
I can speak 3 languages.
What is sports you can play?
I can cricket and football.
How are you feeling?
I am feeling so well.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Do you prefer ice cream or cake?
I like ice cream.
Do you prefer traveling by car, train or plane?
I like traveling by car.
Are you addicted to anything?
I am addicted to online game.
What's the best way to study English?
Practice speaking.
Why can't you speak English?
Because we can try, we can practice.